of organization manual, appointment and training of people or the employees, preparation of various form and reports of accounts, right? So we have to think, right? Then codification also there, setting up of cost centers. Now I think this is very much closer to you, right? Then integration of cost and financial data. I think you also have some kind of experience in your organization, right? Then if they are in accounting system, so you have clear idea about the steps, right? Then management, right? Setting up of research technique, operations. Research, right? Now you can see particular sub activities and sub activities here, right? Under this, under each activity, there may be number of sub activities. However, we want overall awareness about the activities, right? So if I move to next one, so developing a new degree program. Now I got this one. So now if you want to, now as the Department of Accountancy or the management faculty, if you want to introduce new degree program, right? For example, business analytics, right? Now here we have no business analytics degree program. Now we want to introduce this kind of thing. So what are the process? So we have to learn, right? We have to learn and learn key process, right? Actually, we have now, as mentioned here, this one also very much important to know how we develop your curriculum, right? Now you are also under the new curriculum, right? Then your curriculum also prepared by following this particular process, right? So then more or less equal process we followed to prepare your curriculum. It is not a easy task within then 1-2 weeks or month time. We cannot do it. Right, for the next batch, that means next A-level students. Now we have to have a target, right? We have to have target time frame for each and every activities. So in order to identify the, in order to complete the task within the given time, so we need to understand what are the available activities and sub-activities, tasks we need to complete. So then here you can survey, right? Market survey. Then we can discuss with industry partners and also the lecturers, students, right? And also we can align with the strategic plan of the university, right? So again, we cannot start the new degree program without getting strategic approval. So then again, we have to think about the corporate plan or the strategic plan. We have to arrange a committee, including our faculty members, then that means lecturers, then the industry partners, right? Then administrations. So then with that combination, curriculum design. So after having these works, then we can go for the design part, right? After signing the committee and qualified committee for that task. So then we can go for the curriculum design, define program learning outcome, course learning outcome, right? the accreditation of framework, right? So we can see different professional association. Then you know that the AACSB accreditation and requirement. Then we all already work with them, right? As the faculty, as the business faculty. Again, we have to align with them. We have to think about their requirement for the accreditation mapping. There are a number of factors behind that. Then developing curriculum structure. So what are the core, that mean, how can we arrange total credit? So how we divide total credits, and what are the core course units? What are the electives? What are the prerequisites to then here, for example, business analytic. In order to go for this business analytic, there may be some prerequisite or the basic subjects like ICT, or the then there may be different prerequisites, right? Then credit hours and internship. So then we have to think about those factors where, and we have to design them. Then draft syllabi uh, curriculum design. So after designing, next task is to, now after finishing the every task under the designing part, now we have a very good research proposal, but we don't know whether it is up to the standards. So we have to forward them into the faculty board. Then we have to get idea from the faculty board also. Actually, this, but in a faculty, if you think about our faculty, we have around 130 academics, right? Then we have to forward this kind of uh, uh, proposal, that means curriculum, to the faculty. Then after getting the approval and after getting comment, so again we have to incorporate their comments. Then we have to send this into the university Kultech, that is the curriculum evaluation committee, Kultech, right? Then after sending this into the uh, Kultech, right? Then uh, again we can get some comment, right, from the Kultech, right? Then after getting the comment, and then we have to assign reviewers, and after getting the comment, again we can improve a point of outside reviewers, right? So after uh, accepting from the Kultech, so again we have to assign reviewers, outside reviewers. So we have to send it to the outside reviewer. Again, we can get the comment from comment and suggestions from the outside reviewers. So if they accept and we can send it to the University Senate, right? University Senate. Maybe 400, 500 members in this Senate. Then senior professors and other head of the department, deans of the faculties, vice chancellor. So there are a number of academic academics in this university senate. They have to accept, they have to approve, right? Actually, they have to approve this proposal and forward them into the university council, right? University council. So then after sending into the university council, again send them into the university grant commission, right? So then after sending to the University Grant Commission, it has different units, right? That is called QA, Quality Assurance Cell. So after getting the Quality Assurance Cell, so we can uh, they can forward them into the management committee and the standing committee. Ultimately, curriculum proposal. So after accepting knowledge, we can start new degree program. Sometime it may take 1 or 2 or 3 years, right? 3 years period. So this is the overall process. So I want to highlight here before going about the process. So if you are given to develop accounting information system or the building project or the developing a new degree program, so likewise there may be different projects. So before going into the decision making and planning, so you have to study what are the required activities, sub activities, and available resources. Then, as here, what are the authorities that we need to get the approval? Likewise, we have to uh, have clear awareness about the overall process, project, process, and also the activities and the sequence of each activities, right? So those are very much essential. Now we can implement, we can implement, and we can uh, commence the program, and again we can review it and continue the work, right? Now this is actually developing a computer system. So previously also we discussed what are the key steps in developing computer system. Further with the with this particular flow chart, easily you can understand requirement analysis, system design, implementation, system testing, system development, system maintenance, right? Those are the main activities. Under each activity, so we may have number of sub activities, right? So here, based on that, we can decide how many weeks it will take to have this need analysis. Then the system design. It yes. Then the implementation, system testing. So there may be number of activities and sub activities. Based on that, we can determine the time frame as well. So we can estimate the time and cost as well. Right. Now, I think you have clear idea about the project and the project planning and project scheduling, project controlling, and also the key component and steps in completing different types of projects. Now, in project scheduling and scheduling technique, we have number of mechanism. Out of them, just we have Gantt chart. You know that Gantt chart. Then the project calendar. So we can use that kind of basic technique to uh, prepare this project schedule. However, in addition to that, especially we are going to use in project management this kind of critical path method and also the program evaluating and reviewing technique, program evaluating and review technique, that is called PERT, right? Then again we can see project management software as well. So we have to use this kind of we have to have a clear idea about these factors, but mainly we plan to discuss critical path method and the project evaluation and review technique. In addition to that, then Viraj sir will discuss how to use this project management software, that means MS project software for your uh, further awareness, right? Then now we can move to our topic, right? Up to this point, actually, we discuss about the uh, key steps, key tasks behind the project, right? This is the key topic actually, network analysis. Network analysis, right? What is network analysis? Is the general name given to certain specific techniques which can be used for the planning, management, and control of projects. Right? It is very clear. So, what are the key uh, component of this network, and why we are using network, especially for planning and control of projects? That is the key idea. A network is a graphical representation of all activities, event arranged logical and sequential order, sequential manner. So here you can easily understand this particular points here. So network, it's a graphical representation of all and events, right? So we have to arrange them logical and sequential order, right? Actually, if you are giving some activities with some uh, uh, sequence, right? So we can draw this kind of network, and also we can mark different type of points within this network. Like as I mentioned earlier, critical path we can mark on the uh, network, and we can mark earlier start time, earlier finish information on this network, right? So, so easily you can go for this idea actually. Now you understand the idea. Then network, now our task is to draw the network or network. So then we mainly focus on CPA and PERT, right? So you, yeah, if we go to the uh, uh, make different kind of decision actually. So within the project management process, within the project management process, so we can use network analysis in different way to make decision, right? Now here, as I mentioned earlier,